across the area as of right now. Heat indices into the 90s across much of the area. Even Dixon just reaching a heat index of 100 right now. So it is absolutely a hot one here as we head into this evening. We'll only see temperatures cooling off into the low 70s late tonight. So it is going to be a warm and muggy night tonight. As we look at satellite and radar, though, we are clear across our area. Just a few showers that are just trying to make their way into the Chicago area. It does look like they will stay off to our east. So we are looking pretty dry over the rest of this evening. Can't quite rule out a stray shower overnight, though. But again, the vast majority of us, if not all of us, are staying dry. That does change tomorrow, though, as the stalled out low pressure systems across the Central Plains will be making their way over the Great Lakes heading into tomorrow. It's going to be intersecting with the hot and humid air mass that we've been developing today and especially tomorrow. That is likely to bring some scattered thunderstorms into the area and looking like to be on the strong to severe side. There is a level 2 out of 5 risk area wide. Now there's a broad timing here between 12 and 7. It's ultimately going to depend on when the low pressure system does reach our area, but that'll be moving off to our north, and to the south of it, we'll be watching for a broken line of thunderstorms to develop. Those storms could bring damaging winds, a brief tornado or two, as well as those torrential downpours that could cause somewhat localized flooding. So as we look here on Future Track, we'll start off the day dry, plenty of sunshine. We'll see those clouds increasing in coverage, and then I'm just going to say, don't take the timing here on Future Track to the bank, but just as an indication on how quickly these storms will be moving through. If these storms are just starting to enter our area right at about 2 o'clock, as Future Track suggests, we'll see that reaching the Freeport area closer towards 3, the I-39 corridor towards 4, and then pushing out of the area after 5 o'clock or so. So it's going to take about 3 hours for these lines of storms to get through. So we just have to make sure to be weather aware through the afternoon into the early evening hours as this line comes through. Make sure to have multiple ways to get those severe weather alerts, including the Storm Track 13 app to get those for your location. We may see a few showers hanging around into the early evening, but once we head into Thursday, though, I should say, we do start cloudy, but we are dry. Could be some patchy drizzle. That would be about it before we get into more sunshine later into the daytime hours on Thursday. So tomorrow, ahead of those storms, again, hot and humid, highs near 90. Heat indices up to 100 ahead of those scattered strong to severe storms in the afternoon and evening. Then Thursday and Friday does bring us a brief cool down, some natural air conditioning. We may stay in the 70s both Thursday and Friday. Even could see a Thursday night low temperature in the 50s. Been about a month since we could say that, but make sure to take advantage of it because we've got some stifling heat and humidity that will be rushing back in over the weekend and especially into next week. And with the heat and humidity, though, does look likely to bring some occasional rain and thunderstorms here. So an active stretch of weather as we head into next week. So like I mentioned, Thursday, Friday, make sure to take advantage of that dry time and comfortable time while it's here.